Hello viewers, are you experiencing Google Voice Search stopped problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to Settings option, scroll down and go to General Management option, and then go to Date and Time option. Keep Automatic Date and Time option enable, and also enable Automatic Time Zone. Now go back to home screen, go to Play Store, and then click on Search app. Now search Google. From here, update your Google app in latest version. Now wait for completing update process. After completing update process, now restart your device. Now open Google app and try to search with voice and see problem solved successfully.